Guys, taste test time. I'm joining this with Skull. I'm gonna taste some stuff. Let's go. Stuff. A puffy ass bag of Taco Doritos. Guys, the Taco Doritos. Taco Doritos. Let's see. Taco Doritos.
They're okay.
Very Mexican flavor. Next up. Cheesecake Oreos. Cheesecake Oreos. Disgusting. Next up. Fanta.
Cherry, I think.
With lime and baobab. Okay, let's taste some baobab.
My turn. Look at me.
We're in a plane. Next up, exotic Fanta. We were gonna get the strawberry and kiwi, but I thought I would get exotic instead.
Where's the lid?
It's so good. Grape Fanta. Grape Fanta.
Bubbles.
Okay, let's taste some baobab.
My turn. Look at me.
Okay, let's taste some baobab.
My turn. Look at me. Okay, time for the taste test. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this is so good. So good. Oh my god. It's so good, I need more. So good. Get up. Please, Chrissy.
I'm